You can find the design in the link below, in the description. Materials needed. First, an embroidery machine with a suitable hoop size, and felt fabric for embroidery. Also embroidery thread in various colors. Stabilizer, tearaway. Scissors, adhesive spray, and masking or paper tape. Load the embroidery design onto your embroidery machine using a USB drive or the machine's internal memory. Hoop a piece of stabilizer firmly. Make sure it is nice and tight with no wrinkles. Set the machine's embroidery settings, including stitch speed and density, based on your fabric and design requirements. Attach the hoop to the machine and load the file. Begin to embroider the design. The first thing to sew out will be the outline. This marks the area on the felt to help with the placement of the hoop. Spray a piece of cutaway stabilizer with temporary adhesive and smooth the felt fabric on top. Start embroidering. Embroider the outline of the name sign. Cut the sign template from the paper and from the felt fabric. Spray a piece of name sign with temporary adhesive and smooth. Continue embroidering. To make the hanger, cut a length of ribbon or cord, about 17 centimeters or 6.8-inch length. Fold it in half, tying off one end in a small knot. Remove the hoop from the machine, but do not unhoop the felt. Turn the hoop over so the back is facing up, and place the knotted end of the hanger inside the center of the outline. To keep it in place while sewing out, tape down the ribbon with masking or paper tape. With the hanger in place, spray the back piece with temporary spray adhesive and place it over the back side of the embroidery. Turn the hoop right side up and carefully put the felt fabric in place. To prevent shifting, do not smooth or rub the felt into place. Fix the hanger with the tape. Choose the embroidery thread colors and also bobbin threads that match your detail. When the embroidery is finished, remove the hoop from the machine and unhoop the felt. Trim any excess thread and stabilizer of the embroidery to give it a clean finish. Trim away the felt to shape, leaving about 3 millimeters or 0.1 inch of fabric around the ornament outline. Be careful not to cut the hanger. Congratulations! You have your own handmade Christmas ornament. For other design, simply follow the same steps as before, but skip steps from 6 to 9. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos.